Assalamualaikum and welcome to the next video of arithmetic progressions. Let us begin with some statement problems today. And there's a question on the board which tells the first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference CD. So let us first write down the data. Now whenever you have problems which are statement problems, there are always marks for converting this entire question into equations, that is writing the data. At least you have some marks. So first term is 5. First term is given by the letter A. A is 5. Last term is 45. Last term means AN. AN is 45. Right? Sum is 400. Sum means SN. SN is 400. Find the number of terms. Number of terms means N. N we should find out. Common difference means D. We should find out. So if you do this, you get at least half mark. Just to read the question and write down whatever is the data. Now, because I have AN and SN, I will make use of SN formula. SN is equal to N by 2 into A plus AN. Now, this is going to be your homework problem because I am just going to give hints. In place of SN, I can write 400. N we don't know, N we are finding out, divided by 2 into A I know 5 plus AN I know 45. Okay, so simplify this and get what is the value of N. After doing that, use AN formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula, AN you know it is 45 is equal to A is 5 plus N. N also you will know. How? From this value. Whatever you solve, here N you will get minus 1 and D you should find out. Okay. So this value of N you will get from here. So for this problem, the value of N you should get is 16. I am just showing N you should get as 16 after solving this step, and D you should get as 8 by 3. These are supposed to be your final answers. I have given you the answers also. I have given you the starting hints of the problem. Just follow some steps and get me the final answer and submit on the Google Classroom app. The value of N should be 16 and the value of D should be 8 by 3 in this problem. This is going to be your answer. Let us continue with the next question and solve the previous question as homework. So the question here on the board is the first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So let us write down the data first. First and last term are given. First term means A, last term is AN. First term is 17, last term is 350. Okay. Common difference is 9, that means the value of D is 9. How many terms means number of terms? Number of terms means N. N we should find out. What is their sum? Sum also we should find out. Sum means SN. N and SN we should find out. So to begin with, let us make use of AN formula because AN is available. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 350 is equal to A is 17 plus N we don't know, N we are finding out, and D is given as 9. So 350 plus 17 on the other side becomes minus 17 is equal to N minus 1 into 9. I want you to continue after this. Continue. And then find out what will be the value of N. The value of N you should get in this problem is 38. We have done many problems like this, and that is why I am giving you as homework so that you will be able to do it on yourself. Subtract 350 minus 17, write down the answer, divide that by 9, shift minus 1 on the other side, you will get the value of N. Then you should find out SN. To find out SN, make use of the short formula because AN is available, which is N by 2 into A plus AN. SN, N is 38 because after proving this you get N as 38. 38 by 2, A is 17 plus AN is 350. All the values are here. Use these values and get me what is the value of S38. Okay. So try to do this problem as homework and then let us continue with the next problem. Both the problems are homework. For both the problems I have given you the hints and I want the solutions correctly of both the solutions, both the problems. Okay, so there's another question on the board here now. The question is, find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. So there are two values that are given to us. What are given to us? D is 7 directly given and 22nd term means A22. 22nd term means A, 22nd term means A22 is 149. Find the sum of first 22 terms means S22, you should find out. Okay. So what we'll do is, I'll make use of this part, A22. A22 in general form can be written as A plus 21D. And A22 is 149. In place of A22, I can write 149 is equal to A plus 21 into D is 7. 149 is equal to A plus 7 to the 7, 7 to the 14, 147 I will get. 149 minus 147 is equal to A. Therefore, the value of A is 149 minus 147 is 2. After getting the value of A as 2, let me try to find out S22 by making use of Sn formula, because this is S sum. N by 2 into A plus An. I will make use of short formula because N I know. N will be 22, right? See here. In place of N I have 22 is equal to 22 by 2 into A I got as 2 plus An I know. An means A22. Okay? Which is 149. So what I want you to do is, I want you to simplify this part. You can also cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Just 2 more steps. Try to solve this question and get me the answer of S22. So for all the 3 problems I have done almost half of the problem. You should just continue and tell me what answers you are getting. Try to submit it on the Google Classroom app within the evening, and we'll continue with the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.